Are you ready to experience the coldness of foggy Burnham Park? Please join us in today's video. Burnham Park is a popular tourist destination in Baguio City. It is known for its beautiful gardens, lagoon, and fountain. On foggy days, the park takes on a magical atmosphere, as the fog creates a sense of mystery and intrigue. The best time to visit Burnham Park on a foggy day is early in the morning, when the fog is still thick. You can enjoy the peace and quiet of the park, and take some stunning photos of the fog-shrouded trees and flowers. Friends, if you are planning to visit Burnham Park on a foggy day, be sure to dress warmly. The fog can make it feel even colder than usual. You may also want to bring an umbrella or raincoat, as it is not uncommon for it to rain on foggy days. The fog at Burnham Park is a sight to behold. People are amazed and excited to catch a glimpse of it. It is a truly magical experience to see the park shrouded in fog. Friends, if you like the video, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.